is part 2 of the WeVideo series. In this lesson, I will show you how to create a video. I'll show you some tips and tricks about making videos. And yeah, let's get started. When you log into WeVideo, you should end up on the main page here with your templates and things. On the left-hand side, if you click on Create New, on the little arrow, you'll get your drop-down menu. And we're going to click on Video. And here you can choose which type of video you'd like to create. So depending on the type of screen your video will be viewed on, this might change. I'm going to stick with the horizontal 16 wide by 9 tall. We click on that, and that will take us here to a screen where it asks you where you would like to save the video, and you can choose this anywhere you want. I'm going to put it under my project, and then you click Start Editing. And that brings you here to your window creation. Again, on the left-hand side, we've got an option for 2 video files and for an audio file. So I'm just going to drop a couple of pieces in here. So this is an image that I've uploaded previously into my media, and I did this by clicking on Import, and I used my connection to Drive here to find images and videos that I needed for my media. And so once I've uploaded them from my Drive, they show up here in my media. So this isn't a video, this is actually an image file. But I can use image files or video files. As you can see, this is a video file. We can tell it's video because it has this timestamp on the top, whereas the images don't have that timestamp. Anyways, images and videos function basically the same. I can overlay them. As you can see here, this image is on top of the video when I play it. And so you can kind of add images and videos together, overlay them, and make really interesting effects. So I'm just going to delete this one. I can highlight it. You can see it's highlighted in orange. I push delete on my keyboard and it is gone. Then I can move my other video file into place. So I'm going to go, and I'm going to move it to right about here. I'm going to find the spot where I want the beginning of my clip to start. So you can see, I can see the student's face. It's not where I want it to be. Okay, so there's our starting point. Once I get to the starting point, I can clip this clip. I can cut this clip by using the clip or the scissors here. And if I click on that, it will split it into 2 pieces. So I've now got the first part of the video and the second part that I want to keep. So the first part I'm going to highlight, click delete, and it's gone. Now, if you're having a difficult time finding the right spot where you'd like to clip, what you can do down here on the right-hand side is this little drag bar. And I can zoom in on the clip, and as you can see, the time starts to get a lot more split. So from 18 to 1802 to 1805 to 1807, this is 18 seconds, 2 milliseconds, 5 milliseconds, etc. And so you can really hone in on which part or which time you would like to cut that clip at. And so that's that bar. If I want to add an audio file, I can click on audio here, and I can put music file in the audio section here. And again, let's say this video clip ends here. That's the end of my video. If this is highlighted in orange, the audio file here, I can click on split again, and it will split the audio file, and I can delete the last piece of it. Now, if I want to add transitions or I want to add scenes, I can put this text file in. If I put insert and push, it will push my video to the right, and then I've got this text that will start my video file off. And if I double click on that, it will take me to my transform where I can flip things around, or I can scale it to make it bigger, etc. I can also change the position of it. Maybe I want it to be -668 on the screen. You can see it moves around based on all of that. If I click on the left here at the top, I've actually got the option to change the name. I can change the font. Let's go with ZDUM. I can change the size of the font. Not in this case, if I change it on manual, sorry. If it's auto, then it automatically changes based on the size of the scene, which is again set here through scale. Okay, and then I click on save that. And I've now got at the beginning of my video, you can see here is a second, 4 seconds, roughly long, will be the opening scene. And there we go. It goes into my actual video. All right, so what you can do here, now we've got our scene set and the audio file. What I don't want to have in my audio file is the music to come in really hard at the beginning of the audio file. So if I highlight my audio file and click here on the speaker, I can actually set a fade. So I'll set the beginning 2.5 seconds fade in, and at the end have a 4-second fade out. Do that, and I can be happy with my work. You can see here the blue line shows the fade. I can actually change the level as well. And so here, this light blue here shows me the fading, how long the fade is going to be, and it's going to start at 0 and work its way up to this percentage. And I can actually change that based on this dot here, so I can make it louder. Come on. Lift it up, lift it down. It's not working right now, but I just did it. Dang it. And change. There we go. 4 seconds again. You can see now there is the fade at the end. There's the fade at the beginning based off of here. All right. And so we've got our main screen. We've got our audio file. We've got our video file, which I could also put down in the other option here. And if I want, I can add transitions. So I can make a crossfade. So I can have that here. And that will then take it, change the name will crossfade out into the video, as you can see, it fades and creates a really nice effect. Fantastic. Once again, we'll see how that looks. Let's play, fades out, and then it fades into the other one. So as long as those are on the same level, that's why it didn't work before, then that fade out function works. Last thing I'll show you here is the backgrounds. You can also put a background in. So I'm going to put a background here with the opening scene where it says change my name. And so as I click on play, you can see the text comes over the background, makes a cool effect, and then the fade out to allow your video to start. All right, so there's some basics of video creation. With that, I hope you can have some fun. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, best of luck playing with WeVideo.